Material master, material, and if we talk about master data, we've already created master data for materials. We already have a vendor as well. Quota arrangement. Let's see if we have a quota that is maintained for our material 100 plant AA 42. Okay, and from 17.1 to 31st, we have minimum quantity split of 200. Now, what is a quantity split? Quantity splitter, if there is an order of 1,000 units, the delivery will be split in 200s of denominations. So there will be 5 deliveries. That is a quota. Now, source list, we've already maintained a source list with multiple vendors we can have. And understanding that from date-wise, we can have vendors assigned to supply these materials, material 100. It's pretty easy. Then we have info record. Now, info record basically vendor 39010 purchase org AA42. We already have an info record. And for our info record, this is generalized data. And we have maintained some fields over here. Purchase organization data. In purchase organization data, we have purchase groups, under delivery total, over delivery tolerance. GR based invoice, we don't want this because for with every delivery there will be an invoice, so there will be like 5 invoices. We don't want that. Okay, then we have conditions and we have scales also. Now scales, let's discuss that. Valid, okay. New validity period can also be entered over here. And standard, and this will be valid till 31st of 2025. Okay, this is for free trade gross price condition, and we have free goods as well, scales also. Now, what are scales? Validity periods can be different. Scales, now what are scales? Scale quantity is, let's say, 200. It will be charged at 1500 per PK per piece. But if it goes 201, then it will drop to 1300. And from 300, it will drop to 1000. Okay. And let's save it. Was changed. Okay. Now this is also done. Conditions, prices by info record MAKC. Then we'll have RFQ quotation, outline agreement, purchase requisition. It's not working, I guess. It's still stuck again. Okay, logistics, sales management, purchasing, master data, conditions, prices, by contract, by info record. Purchase org is this 39010 100. Purchase info record is 197. Plant is 8842. Execute. Okay, now over here we have gross prices for 50 pieces is 1500. For 100 will be 2000 per piece. How is that possible? Okay, so that was valid till 1901. Now from 20th to 31st, 200 pieces, 1500, 201 pieces, 1300, 300 pieces, 1000. Okay, 50 to 50. So this is not workable. This is workable. This is logical as well. Okay. And we can change it 31st. Okay. Validity. Okay. Existing validity valid from 20 to 31st. Condition amount, we can change these condition amount as well. Additional data, sales deals, if we have any. We don't have any right now. And scales, we've already seen the scales. 20 to 31, this is already good. Okay, we can save this. No data changed. Conditions, we've already seen the conditions. We can see that by material group, by contract and general overview, MEKA, and Incoterms, material, info record, plant, F42, execute, and it shows us the same. But over here we have many more fields. Okay. Now comes, we have done with master data, that part is over. Next is request for quotation. We'll create one and then we'll see the configuration. 2001 is today's date. Quotation deadline is 3101 2025. Purchasing group AA4. Item category, we have four types of categories, which is standard, consignment, third party, pipeline, standard, third party, service, consignment. So we'll keep it standard, will not fill it. Delivery date will be 28 or 2201 2025. Overview. Okay, A4 is not defined. Please enter delivery date later than deadline. Okay, quotation deadline is 22nd 01 2025. 2401 2000. Okay, material is 100 100. RFQ quantity will be 1,000 pieces. Storage location Sharjah. Okay. Quotation deadline. Okay, fair enough. And header details. Validity start and apply by warranty. Incoterms, we can enter that. Release strategy. We'll have to see this release strategy. Okay. Header text. In header text, we can have fragile units. Okay. Save supplier address. Okay, supplier address 39010 AE tricolor surprise group, and it pulls it from the master data of um, the vendor. Okay. Partner. Now, partner is basically no partner schema entered for purchase document type. Okay. Save it. RFQ created under the number 612. Okay. Now, let's go to configuration. So every node has its own set of configuration, and we'll just have a look at materials management, purchasing, RFQ. Number ranges, as we've seen, the number ranges was 6012. Okay, over here we have number ranges, transfer found 66. This is being applied over here. And yeah. You maintain number ranges for following purchase documents: RFQ, purchase order, contract, scheduling, agreement. The following number ranges are predefined in standard SAP. Purchase order internal number assignment is 45, 45.9. External is 41 to 41.9. Internal number is 60 to 609. And external number is 610 to 619. And so on. Okay. SAP recommends that accept the settings defined in the standard system. In this case, no action is required on your part. Okay, fair enough. Document types, release procedures, define screen layout at document level. We can change the selection of screens over here. Okay. So release procedure, edit characteristics. Now let's see. Now this is a process. Characteristics. I guess we'll take this from the next one because I'll have to research what characteristics we will have to uh, insert over here and create.